This is Santosh, a dedicated wildlife rescuer and a former rehabilitator. When a call came from behind Saraswatipuram swimming pool, Mysuru, he immediately responded to help. The informer told him that a bird was stranded, earlier seen perched on a tree nearby, but later it had gone inside the warehouse godown.
ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋದು ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರು
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಂತೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಅಂತೂ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಗೇಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರೆ
ಈ ಬಿಂಗೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲೇ
The great cormorant bird, sitting quietly in a corner, confused and unable to fly. Large cormorant.
ಒಂದು ಖಾಲಿ ಡಬ್ಬ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ.
ಏನು ಪಕ್ಷಿ ಸರ್ ಇದು
ಇದು
ಕೊಕ್ಕರಕ್ಕೆ ಥರನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ
ನೀರು ಕಾಗೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜು.
To protect the bird, Santosh gently placed it inside a ventilated box, ensuring it remained calm and safe during transport. The bird was taken for observation. It was found strong, active, and injury-free. It simply needed time to regain its bearings. After consulting various wildlife rehabilitators and with permission from lake authorities, Santosh decided to release the bird back into its familiar surroundings, close to where it was found. The nearby lake provided the perfect environment for the bird to reconnect with its home and resume its life. The bird was safely returned to the habitat it knows and trusts, a gentle reminder that compassion and responsibility help protect wildlife.